Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Looks and Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and stylish undercut bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest fashion trends. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my all upcoming videos. These undercut, bold pixie haircuts and hairstyle are very trendy nowadays. Any age woman can try this beautiful short bob undercut pixie haircut to look stunning and gorgeous. If you want to look gorgeous and want to change your outlook, then this video will help you a lot. A beautiful haircut may enhance your personality, make you look stunning, confident and comfortable. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas.